Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency, and coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back seat, where you have spacious seating for 3 that can be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And then down here in the middle, you have fold-out cup holders with a 12-volt USB and USB-C. This truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your digital speedometer, trip information, driver assistance features, fuel economy, Eco Coach, and comm screen. Then on the left, you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screens, you're hopefully not going to get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, towing, and owner's manual. Then shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera so you can see where you're going with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Above that, you have your camera view again, hazards and traction control shut off. And moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls here. To the left, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector for normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts. And then on the opposite end, you have tow, haul, eco, and sport mode, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Moving on to the right, you have a 12-volt and USB and USB-C, as well as this compartment up here for more storage. Moving down, you have another 12-volt with USB and USB-C, as well as this shelf where you can put your device while it's charging. Looking at your column shifter, you have your which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. And then moving on to your center console area, where you have 2 cup holders, center compartment / armrest, and then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck, with another lockable compartment underneath for even more storage. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.